Mind Jotter presents 11 Key Rules from the 48 Laws of Power. Have you ever heard of the 48 Laws of Power? This book has sold over 3 million copies worldwide and has been translated into 24 languages, making it one of the most popular books on power and strategy. But with its popularity also comes controversy. Some have criticized the book for promoting manipulation, deceit, and even narcissism. However, what many fail to recognize is that the 48 Laws of Power contains valuable life lessons that can help individuals navigate complex social situations and achieve their goals. The book is a compilation of historical events and biographies that illustrate how power is won, lost, and wielded in various contexts. Although it is based on a time when power was necessary for survival, the lessons can still be applied today in many areas of life, including business, politics, and personal relationships. But what exactly are these lessons? We've distilled the book's 48 laws down to 11 key rules that are both morally sound and incredibly relevant for living with purpose in the 21st century. From say less than necessary to assume formlessness. These rules can help you cultivate a deeper understanding of power dynamics and guide you towards success. Now let's dive into the 11 key rules. Rule 1. Say less than necessary. The principle of say less than necessary is an essential aspect of effective communication. It is based on the idea that words have power, and using them sparingly can be more impactful than speaking excessively. When you speak less, you can better concentrate on what you're saying, which means that your words are more likely to be meaningful and well thought out. In addition, by not filling every silence with words, you allow for more natural pauses in conversation. These pauses provide time for reflection, allowing you to process what the other person is saying and respond appropriately. When you listen more than you talk, you can better understand the other person's perspective and build rapport with them. This principle is particularly useful in situations where you are trying to persuade or negotiate with someone. By saying less, you are more likely to avoid coming across as pushy or aggressive, which can be counterproductive. Instead, you can focus on making your points in a clear and concise manner, which will be more convincing in the long run. However, it's important to note that saying less doesn't mean saying nothing at all. You still need to communicate effectively, and sometimes that means saying more than just a few words. It's about finding a balance and using your words strategically to achieve your goals. Overall, the principle of say less than necessary is an excellent tool for improving communication, building rapport, and achieving success in any situation that requires effective communication. Rule 2. Win through actions, not through arguments. Win through actions, not through arguments, emphasizes the importance of demonstrating your point of view rather than arguing for it. This approach encourages individuals to be solution-oriented rather than confrontational. Instead of trying to persuade others with words, one should look for areas of agreement and then demonstrate an alternative solution that can address the concern at hand. By taking action and demonstrating how the proposed solution works, it is more likely that others will be convinced of its merit. This approach also encourages individuals to focus on finding solutions, rather than placing blame or engaging in a power struggle. By doing so, they can build stronger relationships and create more successful outcomes in their personal and professional lives. Rule 3. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest is a key strategy for getting others to help you. Essentially, this rule suggests that people are more likely to help you when they feel that helping you will also benefit them in some way. By appealing to their self-interest, you can create win-win scenarios that benefit both parties. To do this, you need to present your request for help in a way that shows the other person what's in it for them. For example, if you need help with a project at work, you might approach a coworker by explaining how their involvement will contribute to the project's success and help them stand out to upper management. By framing your request in terms of the benefits to them, they're more likely to be receptive to your ask. It's important to note that this rule does not mean taking advantage of others. Instead, it's about finding ways to help others while also benefiting yourself. When both parties feel like they're winning, they're more likely to cooperate and work together towards a common goal. Rule 4. Use absence to increase respect and honor. The fourth key rule of 48 Laws of Power, use absence to increase respect and honor, teaches the importance of taking a step back to increase one's value and influence it. According to the book, absence can make people appreciate your presence more, and it is a powerful tool that can be used to your advantage in social interaction. The book emphasizes the idea that people tend to take things and people for granted when they are always available. Therefore, by distancing oneself for a certain period, people start to miss their presence, appreciate their contribution, and understand their worth. This can lead to an increase in respect, admiration, and influence. Additionally, using absence strategically can also make people more receptive to your ideas and suggestions. When people miss your presence, they are more likely to listen to you and follow your lead when you return. The book also suggests that absence can be used to create a sense of mystery and allure, which can be used to pique people's curiosity and interest in you. The fourth key rule suggests that taking a break from social interactions, selectively disconnecting from others, or removing oneself from situations can be a powerful strategy to increase respect and influence. By strategically using absence, you can highlight your worth and make people more receptive to your ideas and suggestions. Rule 5. Isolation is dangerous. The concept of social isolation being harmful to mental health has been supported by numerous studies over the years. The idea that social connections can have a positive impact on one's health and well-being is widely accepted. When individuals withdraw from social interaction, it can lead to feelings of loneliness and depression, which, if prolonged, can have serious consequences for one's mental health. Moreover, isolation can lead to a lack of stimulation, making it difficult to find meaning and purpose in one's life. It can also cause an individual to become less resilient and less able to cope with stressors. When dealing with difficult situations, having a strong support system can be incredibly beneficial, and social isolation can leave a person without the necessary resources to manage life's challenges. Therefore, it's essential to maintain social connections, whether it's through family, friends, or community activities. This can include participating in group activities or volunteering, which can be great ways to form new connections and contribute to the community. By maintaining social connections, individuals can help protect their mental health and ensure they have the necessary support when facing life's challenges. Rule 6. Concentrate your forces. The sixth key rule of the 48 Laws of Power is concentrate your forces. This means that you should focus your efforts on one area and eliminate any distractions that may hinder your progress. In other words, you should concentrate your energies on a single objective to increase your chances of success. This rule emphasizes the importance of prioritization, as trying to do too many things at once can cause you to lose focus and be less productive. Instead, you should identify your most important objective and focus on that until you have achieved it. Eliminating distractions is also important for success, as these can divert your attention and cause you to lose focus. By concentrating your forces, you can avoid these distractions and use your time and energy more effectively. In essence, this rule encourages you to work smarter, not harder, by focusing your resources on a single goal to achieve success more efficiently and effectively. Rule 7. Recreate yourself. The seventh key rule, recreate yourself, emphasizes the importance of personal growth and development. It means that you should not let the opinions of others define who you are or who you want to become. Instead, take control of your life, identify your values and goals, and work towards becoming the best version of yourself. This may involve letting go of old habits and beliefs that no longer serve you and embracing new ones that align with your true self. By recreating yourself, you can gain a sense of empowerment and satisfaction and achieve a more fulfilling life. Rule 8. Plan all the way to the end. This key rule emphasizes the importance of long-term planning and strategic thinking. Before taking action, you should visualize the desired outcome and then work backwards to develop a plan that can help you achieve that goal. This involves considering all the potential risks and challenges that may arise and developing contingency plans to address them. Additionally, you should be prepared to adjust your plan as circumstances change or unexpected events occur. By planning all the way to the end, you can increase your chances of success and minimize the risk of failure. This key rule emphasizes the importance of long-term planning and strategic thinking. Before taking action, you should visualize the desired outcome and then work backwards to develop a plan that can help you achieve that goal. This involves considering all the potential risks and challenges that may arise and developing contingency plans to address them. Additionally, you should be prepared to adjust your plan as circumstances change or unexpected events occur. By planning all the way to the end, you can increase your chances of success and minimize the risk of failure. Rule 9. Be royal in your own fashion. To expand on the 9th key rule, be royal in your own fashion. It means that you should have a high level of self-respect and act with confidence and authority. You should carry yourself in a way that exudes confidence, dignity, and respect, regardless of your social status or position. By acting in this way, you will gain the respect of others, and they will treat you as someone of higher value. This does not mean being arrogant or disrespectful towards others, but rather having a sense of self-worth and a strong sense of identity. Ultimately, this mindset can help you achieve your goals and lead a fulfilling life. Rule 10. Assume formlessness. The principle of assume formlessness advises being flexible and adaptable in your actions and thinking. This rule emphasizes the importance of not being rigid or fixed in your approach, but being able to adapt to different circumstances and situations. By being formless, you can take on any shape, overcome any obstacle, and move in any direction that is necessary to achieve your goals. This principle also means not being predictable and keeping your opponents guessing by being able to change tactics and strategies quickly. Ultimately, being formless allows you to stay ahead of the competition and to be successful in any field. Rule 11. Remain unflustered, unreactive. This rule emphasizes the importance of maintaining a calm and focused mindset in all situations. It's essential to avoid getting flustered or reactive, even in challenging circumstances. By staying composed and level-headed, you'll be able to think clearly and make better decisions. This involves letting go of unnecessary emotions, such as anger, frustration, and worry, and focusing on the present moment. Instead of dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about the future, ask yourself what action needs to be taken in the present. If there's nothing that can be done, accept it and move on as quickly as possible. This approach can help you stay focused and maintain your energy and composure in all situations. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to Mind Jotter for more great content on growth and personal development. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.